So here's our new PRO-EX3, and there's a few big upgrades from the PRO-EX2 that you'll notice right away. Obviously the first one being the color. It's going to be the first big difference. We've got a new display and mid-box here, and we've moved our Wi-Fi module up to the front, and it's actually going to use the same K-Rain bridge as the Pro-LC uses. So you're all familiar with that. And then as soon as you open the controller, you'll notice the 2-wire module in here that is new. So we've also, this is a hybrid system now, so we do conventional and 2-wire in the same box. This is going to offer the flexibility of 2-wire and being able to add and scale your system with the convenience of a conventional system still there. So at this property, there was already a few conventional zones installed that we kept with this, a few of the legacy zones that we kept over here on the conventional system. And then we've added the 2-wire and been able to expand the zone count. So we've pulled our 2-wire path to the controller now, and now we're going to install our 2-wire module. The first slot in the controller is always going to be a conventional module, and it can go from either a 4-zone or an 8-zone. But if we're going to have a 2-wire module in there, the 2-wire module will always be zone 5 through 40. So these zones will start at 5. So we're going to slide the module in and slide it up until it clicks and the light turns solid blue. The K-Rain 2-wire module on the Pro-EX is not polarity specific, so the red or blue wires can go to either of the terminals. So back these off a little bit, and then we'll hook these up. Next we'll add decoders. Move the dial down to 2-wire, and we're going to click OK on Add Decoder. We want to add a zone. We'll select Zone, and it's going to start flashing, so it's going to show you the decoders you already have installed. So we have 5 through 9 already installed, and we're going to add Zone 10 now. Bring our decoder, and then our 2-wire lines off the decoder. Plug those in here, and simply hit Pair. And then that will flash solid when it's done. And then you'll see Zone 10 has been added. So the first way we added a decoder, it was just adding the next available zone. The second way we can add a decoder is, so it's the same process. We go through Add Decoder, we choose Zone, and then it's going to bring up our decoders we already have installed, and it's going to be flashing the next available. You can scroll over at any zone that's going to be available. So if we want to make the next zone 16, we simply scroll over to 16, plug our wires in, and then you can just hit OK on 16, and it will show done. And zone 16 has been added. So one feature we've added for the Pro-EX is another way to add a decoder. So traditionally it's always been more of this where you're adding the decoders at the controller, and you typically would need the decoder or the serial numbers off the decoders to input in the controller. Something we've added with the Pro-EX3 and the decoders is the ability to now add them remotely in the field. So on the decoder we've added your serial number and then a QR code on the actual decoder itself. So now in the field we can open our phones and go to our K-Rain app. And in advanced features, there's now a new feature, decoders. And in decoders, you can see all of our serial numbers of the ones we have on our system currently. And if we want to add a new one, hit our Add button, either type in the serial number or hit this QR code feature, and it simply picks it up. And so as soon as it has a new serial number, we're going to select decoder type and do station. And then we can actually set our station number here. We're going to set it at 14 and then add. Show command sent device, decoder added. Okay.